If you're chasing that perfect soundstage, crystal clear vocals, and rich bass tones, you're in the right place. Whether you're upgrading your hi-fi system or diving into the world of high-fidelity audio, an integrated amplifier is the heartbeat of it all. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best integrated amplifiers for 2025, models that blend elite performance, sleek design, and modern connectivity. Let's dive in. At the 5th spot, the Marantz Model 50 stands out as a testament to pure analog excellence. Delivering 70 watts per channel through its Class AB amplification, this integrated amplifier offers a warm, rich, and detailed sound that audiophiles crave. Equipped with 6 analog inputs, including a dedicated moving magnet phono stage, it caters to vinyl enthusiasts and modern listeners alike. The inclusion of Marantz's proprietary DAM-SA3 circuitry ensures a wide frequency response and minimal distortion, bringing out the nuances in every track. The Model 50's design is both modern and timeless, featuring a sleek black finish and intuitive front panel controls for bass, treble, and balance adjustments. Its robust build and meticulous engineering reflect Marantz's commitment to quality and performance. Experience the pinnacle of analog sound with the Marantz Model 50, where tradition meets innovation for an unparalleled listening journey. At number 4, the Cambridge Audio CXA81 MkII stands out as a digital audio powerhouse. Delivering 80 watts per channel through Class AB amplification, it ensures a balanced and efficient performance that brings your music to life. The inclusion of the ES9018K2M Sabre 32 DAC offers reference-level digital-to-analog conversion, capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks. With a toroidal transformer, it provides incredible sound staging, immersing you in a rich audio experience. Connectivity is a breeze with digital inputs including Toslink, coaxial, and USB audio input, as well as balanced XLR analog inputs for premium connections. Bluetooth aptX HD support allows for high-quality wireless streaming, and being room-tested, it seamlessly integrates with your digital library. The sleek lunar gray design adds a touch of elegance to any setup. Experience the perfect blend of power and precision with the CXA81 MkII, where digital meets analog in harmony. Musical notes. At number 3, the Yamaha A-S1200SL seamlessly blends classic design with cutting-edge audio technology. Delivering 90 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 150 watts at 4 ohms, this integrated amplifier ensures robust and dynamic sound reproduction. Turn 0 Search 0. Its toroidal transformer and mechanical ground concept construction minimize unwanted vibrations, providing a pure and immersive listening experience. Turn 0 Search 6. The A-S1200SL features illuminated analog level meters, evoking a nostalgic feel while offering real-time visual feedback. With a frequency response ranging from 5 Hz to 100 kHz, it captures the full spectrum of your music. Turn 0 Search 0. The silver finish and chrome-plated iron feet add a touch of elegance to any setup. Experience the perfect harmony of vintage charm and modern fidelity with the Yamaha A-S1200SL, where timeless design meets exceptional sound. Musical notes. Securing the 2nd spot, the Audiolab 7000A emerges as a digital audio powerhouse, blending versatility with high-fidelity performance. Delivering 70 watts per channel into 8 ohms via Class AB amplification, it ensures robust and dynamic sound reproduction. The inclusion of the ES9038Q2M DAC offers reference-level digital-to-analog conversion, capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks. With a toroidal transformer and 60,000 microfarads of reservoir capacity, it provides incredible sound staging, immersing you in a rich audio experience. Turn 0 Search 0. Connectivity is a breeze with digital inputs including Toslink, coaxial, and USB audio input, as well as balanced XLR analog inputs for premium connections. Bluetooth aptX HD support allows for high-quality wireless streaming, and being room-tested, it seamlessly integrates with your digital library. The sleek lunar gray design adds a touch of elegance to any setup. Experience the perfect blend of power and precision with the Audiolab 7000A, where digital meets analog in harmony. Musical notes. Topping our list is the NAD C 399, a flagship integrated amplifier that redefines performance and versatility. Delivering 180 watts per channel into 8 or 4 ohms, and peaking at 250 watts, it effortlessly handles demanding speaker loads with precision. At its core lies the hybrid digital Encore amplifier, renowned for its wide bandwidth and vanishingly low distortion, ensuring a pure and dynamic soundstage. The C399 features a 32-bit/384 kHz ESS Sabre DAC, the same chip used in NAD's esteemed Master series, offering exceptional clarity and detail. Its modular design construction, NDC2, allows for future upgrades, including the optional Blue OSD module for multi-room streaming and direct live-room correction. Connectivity is comprehensive, with HDMI ARC, dual optical and coaxial inputs, Phono stage, and aptX HD Bluetooth. Whether you're spinning vinyl or streaming high-res audio, the C399 adapts seamlessly to your needs. Experience unparalleled power and adaptability with the NAD C399, where cutting-edge technology meets timeless audio excellence. Musical notes. That's it for our top 5 best integrated amplifiers for 2025. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.